We are pleased to show you the 2020 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.